So given question today we have linked list cycle 2. Okay, so it says that if there is a cycle in the linked list, we have to return the node wherever the cycle starts. So if we see the question, it has these two steps. It's a very I would say common linked list question, and it consists of two questions basically. So we'll first make two pointers, fast and slow, namely both of them will point to head, but fast will move uh, two pointers at a time, two uh, like it will go like fast next, and slow will go slow next. Okay, now if fast and slow matches, that means we have a cycle in linked list. Okay, now in this question, if the question was just to return true or false, if there is a cycle, then these two steps was enough, but we have to return the node. So for doing that, what we'll do is we'll make one of the pointers either fast or slow to head. We'll point it to head. Now both of them will move ahead at the same rate. Both the fast and slow pointers will move ahead at same rate, and wherever they collide, we'll return that node, because that is the node they'll be colliding at. That is the node. Okay, so we'll start the coding part. Now it says the first step is we have to make two pointers, fast and slow. So I'll say list node star fast equals to head, and then list node star slow equals to head. Okay, next what we have to do is we have to traverse it and find if there exists a linked list. Okay, so we'll say that while slow is there, and we have fast as well, and fast next. These are the three parameters we want. If we have these three, then continue moving in the cycle. Okay, so I'll say slow equals to slow next. Next is fast equals to fast next, because it will move it twice the rate. Now if ever my fast is equal to slow node, then simply just say break. Okay, because now rest of the part we'll do over here. So now what we want to do is we have both the pointers. We are sure that it got like if it comes out of the loop, and so we know that fast is equal to slow, right? Now it will come out of the loop because of two reasons. Either one of this conditions won't satisfy, or this satisfies, right? So if this is the condition why it came out of the loop, then what we have to do is we'll say let's just point slow to head, the third step. Sorry, this step 3-1. Okay, so slow will be equal to head. Now as long as my slow is not equal to head, I'll simply traverse it again and again and say slow equals to slow next, and fast equal to fast next. It is moving at same rate. Okay, now once it comes out of the loop, we simply need to return slow. Okay, once done with that, okay, now another condition why it will come out of this loop is if one of these condition does not satisfy, right? So in that case it means that there is no cycle in the loop. So we'll simply say in that case we need to return null pointer. Okay, I think this will work. Also we need to add a few constraints that if there is no head, and then it should return if head is not there and head next is not there. So also if head is not there, if we have three nodes. Okay, if we have head I think we should see for three nodes, because if head is equal to null pointer, and head is equal head next also if it's equal to null pointer. Also if my head next, because in that case it's not it's um if that next is also null pointer, that is the minimum case we want. So if next is also equal to null pointer, I'm not sure about this. If we get wrong answer, then I'll do some changes in these constraints. Anyways, let's just see. Sorry, let's try to turn it. So wait a second, it should not be and it should be or, right? Yeah, let's try to submit this. Okay, we have wrong answer. Tail connects to node index 0. We have something wrong over here. Okay. Let me just see. So I just figured out the mistake. It was that over here I have written while slow is not equals to head, and it should be fast, because when slow is not equal to fast, till that time it should run, and once it's equal to fast, then it will return. So it was a very silly typo. Okay, let's try to submit it. So yeah, this got accepted. Okay, thank you so much.